You might not know this, but if you take 2 lemons, peel and cut them into slices. Add a little raw turmeric and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Now boil everything in 2 cups of water until it reduces to half. Give this warm drink to someone suffering from continuous cough, heavy chest phlegm, or breathing discomfort. With regular use, it naturally clears the chest and supports easier breathing. This simple yet powerful recipe works like a natural healer, bringing comfort without any chemicals. Write the word easy and I'll send you my guide, Ayurvedic Remedies for cough, cold, and chest congestion.